When people look at your LinkedIn profile picture, what do you think that they're thinking? Do you think that you are presenting yourself as a warm, friendly person that they'd be great to do business with? If not, and you're looking for ways to really improve the quality of your LinkedIn profile photo, then stick around. I have some tips for you. Hello, I'm Laura Connor, and welcome to another video about how you can use LinkedIn to get seen, get heard, and get clients. All right, let's get right into it. Your LinkedIn profile photo. So important to have. LinkedIn profiles that have a photo versus not having a photo, they're 14 times more likely to be viewed by people searching through LinkedIn. So you want to make sure at minimum that you have a profile photo if you want anybody to even look at your profile. Now, you want to take it up a step further though, because not only do you want to have a profile photo, you want to have a profile photo that speaks volumes about you, positive volumes about you. My first tip is to make sure that you use a picture of you smiling or looking friendly. Now, unless you part of your persona or your brand is to always look like you're frowning or you're upset. If that's you and that's what people expect to see every time they see you, then okay, fine, put on that frowny face. But if that's not you, then you want to be looking warm and inviting. Because when people smile, your eyes light up and you look much more interesting, much more warm. People want to get to know you. Now, the next thing is you want to make sure that you have a headshot. Now, it goes without saying, headshots are what you're supposed to put on LinkedIn and on most of your social media platforms. However, a lot of people don't do that. For some reason, I think people think that it's fine to just put a full body picture. Now, here's the thing. A full body picture or even a half body picture, when you try to put a half of a person's body in that little 100 by 100 pixel space that you're given, it's very hard for people to see your face. It's very hard. And it's even worse when you try to put your whole body standing from head to toe in there. They can't see your face, so they can't really see what you're like or get a visual of who you are by looking at your face, because you're so small. You're just little like that. So you don't want to do that. Have a headshot, small headshot. Do I have to say anything else about that? Make it a headshot. Headshot. Okay, next thing. You're smiling. It's a headshot of you. Well, that's the next thing. Is it a headshot of you? It should be a headshot of you. It really, I've seen way too many profile photos where it has two people in there. Now, a profile picture, it's not LinkedIn profiles, it's LinkedIn profile, which means it's one person. And so if it's one person, put one person in the profile photo. I don't care if you have a team member. I get it. They should have their own profile. You know, even if you're married, I'm married, but you're not going to see my husband in my profile photo because it's a profile for me. He can have his own LinkedIn profile. So have your photo be only of you, not of your pet, not of your kids, not of your teammate, not of a caricature of you. There's some really cute pictures and you have one of those, what do you call it? Those avatar thingies or it's a cartoon of you. I know they're cute and I know that they're good for branding, but for your profile photo, I want to be networking and meeting a real person, not a caricature, not an animation, not any avatar looking thing of the person who I'm trying to meet. So have a real photo of you and not your logo. Did I say that already? The days of hiding behind social media and hiding behind emails and hiding behind masks, it's long gone. So if you're going to put yourself out there, put a picture of you. Don't hide behind your logo, because I'm not networking with a logo, right? And I don't think you want to network with the logo either. All right, next thing. Make sure that the background is clutter-free. You can use whatever photo you want. A lot of times you have where the photo that you take when you're out at a wedding or out for an evening, you're dressed up and you look really sharp and you just smile just right and it looks perfect. Unfortunately, there are some dinner tables at the back, or there are some people at the back doing something else, and you can't really crop them out of that photo. Well, I'm here to tell you that yes, you can crop them out. And if you want to use that picture, then remove the background, go to Remove.bg, or if you have the Canva Pro, you can remove the background and then put a light color background there. Crop it so that it's your head and your shoulders and you're good to go. All right. So if you have to use a picture that's not a professional headshot, make sure that you can crop it out and it still looks good, and have a light colored background as well. I know that even in some of my photos, I have a dark colored background, but sometimes it's very hard because you don't stand out. Remember, when you're scrolling through LinkedIn, you'll see a whole bunch of different photos of people there, right? And if you have a dark background, you may just blend right into it. And so you want to pop, and you pop by having a lighter color background. You could even put a ring around your profile photo to help it stand out a little bit more. So those are a few things that you can do to make sure that your LinkedIn profile picture stands out and you are memorable and you are attractive to people as they're scrolling through LinkedIn. If you're liking what you see in this video and what you're learning, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out another video having to do with LinkedIn or visibility marketing.